We did our best to succeed, but we have a great problem before us, the defense of India. And India must be defended against the aggression of the Japanese.
Leader of the valuable co-op.
Hello and welcome back to Story Underlying. Today's topic is Cripps mission and Quit India movement of March 1942. So बात करते हैं कुछ reasons के why Cripps mission was sent to India. First reason, it was sent to India with constitutional proposal to seek India's support for the war. It actively supported the Indian national movement. Second reason is due to reverses suffered by Britain in Southeast Asia. Third reason is Japanese threat to invade India seemed real. Next is pressure on Britain from allies to seek Indian cooperation. Nationalists agreed to support the Britain if substantial power was transferred immediately and complete independence after the war. What are the main proposals of Cripps mission? So Indian Union with dominion status it offered, and India be free to decide its relation with Commonwealth. India will be free to participate in United Nations and other international bodies. Constituent Assembly would be convened to frame a new constitution by end of war. Meantime, defense of India would remain in British hand and Governor General's power would remain intact. British would accept new constitution if two conditions are fulfilled. Any provinces not willing to join the union would have a separate constitution and form a separate union. Second condition is new constitution making body and British government would together negotiate a treaty for transfer of power and to safeguard racial and religious minority. This proposal differed from those offered in the past, reasons being making the constitution was now solely in Indian hands now, not mainly in Indian hands. Concrete plan was provided for Constituent Assembly and blueprint for India's partition, reflected in options available to any provinces to have separate constitution. Free India could withdraw from Commonwealth and Indians were allowed a large share in administration in the interim period. So why Cripps mission failed? Muslim League criticized the idea of single Indian Union, Pakistan not being explicitly offered. League opposed the machinery for creation of Constituent Assembly. It thought that the proposal denied the Muslim the right to self-determination and creation of Pakistan. Congress objected to. Nehruji and Maulana Azad were official negotiators of Congress. Congress opposed dominion status, representation of princely states by nominees, right of provinces to secede or get separated, absence of any plan for immediate transfer of power, retention of Governor General's supremacy, and absence of any real share in defense. Gandhiji described the scheme as post-dated check. Others' opinion about Cripps mission, procedure of accession was not well defined. It was against the unity and security of India. Stafford Cripps returned home, leaving behind frustrated Indian people. Being intolerable, he felt that the time has come for a final assault on imperialism. So बात करते हैं बहुत important movement that is Quit India movement की. TWC meeting at Wardha on 14th July 1942. Why struggle now? The failure of Cripps mission to resolve the deadlock exposed the Britain's unchanged attitude on constitutional advances, rising prices and shortage of rice, fear of Britain following a scorched earth policy in Assam, Bengal and Orissa against possible Japanese invasion. Scorched earth policy is manner of evacuation of British, leaving the subject to their fate, reflecting the racist attitude of rulers. So policy यही थी कि अगर आप कोई सी जगह छोड़ के जा रहे हैं तो उसको अगले इंसान के लिए रिसोर्सफुल नहीं छोड़ना है. अगर कुछ पॉन्ड है, अगर कोई सा लेक है, दे यूज टू पॉइजन इट सो दैट अगले इंसान जो आए वो उसको यूज ना कर पाए. न्यूज ऑफ रिवर्सेस सफर्ड बाय ब्रिटेन इन साउथ ईस्ट एशिया. द जापानीज ट्रूप्स वेर अप्रोचिंग बॉर्डर्स ऑफ इंडिया. क्विट इंडिया resolution was passed in 8th of August 1942 at Goalia Tank, Bombay by J.L. Nehru and Sardar Patel. It resolved to demand an immediate end to British rule and commitment to defend free India, form a provisional government of India after British withdrawal and sanction CDM against British. Gandhiji was named the leader of the struggle. Gandhiji's general instruction at Goalia की बात करें, गवर्नमेंट सर्वेंट, आप याद रखें कंपैरिजन इसका पूछता है, गवर्नमेंट सर्वेंट डोंट हैव टू रिजाइन बट हैव टू डिक्लेयर देयर एलिजेंस टुवर्ड्स कांग्रेस. सोल्जर्स को एडवाइस मिली नॉट टू फायर अपॉन पेट्रियट्स. स्टूडेंट को बोला गया इफ यू आर कॉन्फिडेंट लीव योर स्टडीज. पीजेंट्स if zamindars are pro-government, don't pay rent. Princely states की बात करें, support your ruler if he is anti-government and declare yourself to be part ऑफ इंडियन नेशन। मंत्र दिया गांधी जी ने, डू और डाई, जो अभी हमारा सिचुएशन चल रहा है। क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट के स्प्रेड की बात करें, सो टेम्पो वॉज बिल्ट अप थ्रू इंडिविजुअल CDM, जैसा कि हमने लास्ट वीडियो में देखा, एंड कंसिस्टेंट प्रोपोगंडा। ऑन 9th August 1942, all top leaders of Congress were arrested and taken to unknown destinations. CWC and All India Congress Committee were declared unlawful associations. Public meetings were prohibited. बात करते हैं कांग्रेस कमेटी सेशन की, which was presided by Aruna Asaf Ali, and in this session Indian flag was hoisted. Public on rampage. General public attacked symbol of authority and hoisted national flag. Railway tracks were removed and telegram wires were cut. Movement was intense in United Provinces and Bihar. Students were acting as couriers for underground workers. Parallel government was formed. Balia in August 1942 under Chittu Pandey, who got many Congress leaders released. Tamluk, Midnapur, 1942 to 1944. Jatiya Sarkar was formed as parallel government, which undertook cyclone relief work and organized विद्युत वाहिनीज। बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, आप जरूर याद रखें, अंडरटुक साइक्लोन रिलीफ वर्क एंड ऑर्गेनाइज्ड विद्युत वाहिनीज। तामलुक, मिदनापुर, जतिया सरकार। सतारा 1943 to 1945, parallel government which was established was called जति सरकार under YB Chaman and Nana Patil. Underground activities की बात करें, so many nationalists went underground. Participants include socialist, forward bloc members, Gandhiji's Ashramites and local organizations. कुछ important personalities की भी बात कर लेते हैं, जैसे राम मनोहर लोहिया, AP नारायण, अरुणा असफ अली, उषा मेहता, बीजू पटनायक, चेता कृपलानी and RP Goenka. Usha Mehta started underground radio in Bombay. Government repression was severe. 10,000 were killed. Press was muzzled. Military took over many cities. Rebellious villages were fined heavily. Mass flogging in many villages. बात करते हैं इवैल्यूएशन ऑफ क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट की। एक्सटेंट ऑफ मास पार्टिसिपेशन, यूथ की बात करें, स्टूडेंट रिमेन्ड इन फोरफ्रंट. Women were active, example Aruna Asaf Ali, Sucheta Kriplani and Usha Mehta. Peasants की बात करें, so peasants were the heart of the movement. याद रखें, peasants were the heart of the movement and there was complete absence of anti-zamindari violence. Government officials saw erosion of government loyalty. Muslims gave shelter to underground activities. There were no communal clashes witnessed. So ये बहुत important है. Who did not join the movement? Communists did not join the movement. Muslim League did not join the movement, as they feared that if British left, Hindus will dominate us. Hindu Mahasabha boycotted the movement. Princely states boycotted the movement. Upper class and bureaucracy remained loyal. बात करते हैं estimate की. Estimate of Quit India movement. It was left without leader. Violence became common. Home centers being UP, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Bihar and Midnapur. Student, workers and peasants were the backbone of the movement. Movement placed the demand for independence on the immediate agenda of national movement. Common people displayed unparalleled heroism and militancy and faced brutal repression by government. Nationalism reached great depth. Mine of 1943 in southwest Bengal was the worst affected area. 1.5 to 3 million people perished in man-made famine, epidemic, malnutrition and starvation. इसका कॉज था the need to feed a vast army diverted the food. Rice imports from Burma and Southeast Asia were stopped. Gross mismanagement and deliberate profiteering. बात करते हैं गांधी जी's fast की. On February 1943 against violence of the state, protests were organized at home and abroad. 3 members of Viceroy Executive Council resigned. Achievement की बात करें तो public morale was raised, anti-British feeling was heightened and opportunity for political activity was put forward. So we have covered Cripps Mission and Quit India Movement. इसका PDF आपको मेरे Telegram चैनल पर मिल जाएगा. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो पे, तब तक के लिए ऑल द बेस्ट. थैंक यू.